Hi, in today's session, Adi with the students. I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss about importance of GPSC preparation in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Philippines for higher education, and motivational story with its moral. Preparing for GPSC, Gujarat Public Service Commission requires strong guidance, conceptual clarity and disciplined practice. The EduMall provides a structured and student-centric environment that makes GPSC preparation more effective and result-oriented. With expert faculty, updated study material and advanced learning tools, the EduMall ensures that every aspirant builds the right strategy to crack the exam confidently. So let's see the benefits of it. First is expert faculty with real GPSC insights. The EduMall brings experienced mentors who deeply understand GPSC pattern, syllabus coverage, and answer writing expectations. Their guidance helps students avoid common mistakes and perform with high accuracy. Comprehensive and updated study material. The entire syllabus is covered through high quality notes, current affairs updates, practice worksheets, and subject-wise booklets that match the latest GPSC trends. Structured learning approach. Daily classes, topic-wise modules, and pre-planned schedules helps students stay consistent and disciplined throughout their preparation. Regular mock test and performance analysis. The EduMall GPSC mock tests mirror real-life difficulty and format. Detailed performance analysis gives students clarity on strength and the areas that need improvement. Personalized doubt-solving support. Individual doubts-clearing sessions ensure that students understand every concept thoroughly. No question is left unanswered. Smart digital learning tools. With online classes, recorded lectures and AI-based practice resources, students get flexible and enhanced learning opportunities. Motivational and strategic guidance. The EduMall not only teaches subjects but also mentors students on exam strategy, time management, and confidence building. Thus, your future starts here in the EduMall. Thought of the day. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. The only limit is your imagination means that your potential for achievement, creativity, and success isn't bound by external factors, but by the mental barriers, doubt, self-doubt, and lack of vision you impose on yourself. If you can dream it or conceive it, you can work towards making it real, emphasizing a boundless possibility through creative thinking and removing self-imposed limitations. So, remove your limitations. They are only your imagination. If you can move forward, your life will be fruitful without any obstacles. Work hard, you will get success. Let us see the important historical date, 10th December. And today is 10th December. So on 10th December 1948, United Nations adopts the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, a foundational document for global human rights, making this day Human Rights Day. On 10th December, the Nobel Prizes are given. So traditionally, the Nobel Prizes, including the Nobel Peace Prize and the United Nations Prize in Human Rights, are awarded on this day. 10th December 1922, the Canton Bulldogs become the first champions of the NFL after finishing their season undefeated. On 10th December 1684, Edmond Hillary presents Isaac Newton's work on gravity, outlining Kepler's laws to the Royal Society. Let's see word of the day. Meticulous, meaning showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Synonym is careful, thorough, exact, strict, detailed. Antonym is careless, inattentive, negligent, unmindful, hasty. Origin. The word meticulous comes from the Latin word meticulosus, meaning fearful or timid. It originally meant frightened, but by the 1800s, its meaning shifted to overly and timidly careful, eventually becoming the common meaning of painstakingly careful to avoid mistakes, losing the fear connotation entirely. Let's see the one sentence. The meticulous scientist recorded every observation in her lab notebook. So we have learned one more word, meticulous, and keep this in your dictionary. Use it in your day-to-day conversation. Why students go to Philippines for higher education? The Philippines has emerged as one of the most preferred international education destinations, especially for students from Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, known for its high quality education system, English-speaking environment, and affordable lifestyle. The country offers a perfect balance of academic excellence and cultural comfort. Here are the key reasons why the students choose the Philippines for their higher studies. First, globally recognized and accredited degrees. The Philippines follows an American-based education system, ensuring strong academic quality and international recognition. Degrees from Filipino universities, especially in medicine, engineering, nursing, business, and IT, are accepted worldwide. Many institutions are recognized by the organizations such as WHO, MCI, that is NNC, CHED, and PAASCU, giving students confidence in their global career prospects. English as the medium of instruction. The Philippines is the third largest English-speaking country in the world, making it extremely comfortable for international students. All academic programs, examinations, and practical training are conducted in English. This eliminates language barriers and prepares students for global employment markets. Affordable education and cost of living. One of the biggest attractions is the affordability. Tuition fees for professional courses, especially MBBS, MD, are significantly lower than in the USA, UK, Australia, or even some Asian countries. Living expenses, accommodation, food, and transportation are budget friendly, allowing students to pursue high quality education without heavy financial pressure. American-based curriculum. The Philippines follows the US-style credit-based education system, promoting analytical thinking, practical exposure, and a student-centered learning experience. This curriculum is particularly beneficial for students pursuing medical studies as it matches the structure of USMLE and other international licensing exams. High-quality medical and practical training. For medical students, the Philippines offers excellent clinical exposure with training provided in modern, well-equipped hospitals. The students interact with a diverse patient base, giving them real-world experience and strong clinical skills. This makes Filipino medical graduates highly competitive globally. easy adaptability, and friendly environment. The Philippines is known for its warm hospitality and multicultural atmosphere. International students feel welcomed and safe. The climate, food options, Indian communities, and overall lifestyle help students easily adapt to their new environment. Safe campus environment. Universities in the Philippines ensure secure campus facilities with 24/7 security, dedicated international student support, and guidance teams that assist from arrival to graduation. No donation or entrance test required. Most universities in the Philippines do not require donations or capitation fees. Admissions are usually based on qualifying exam marks, making the process simple and transparent. Pathway to global career opportunities. Graduates from the Philippines perform well in international licensing exams such as USMLE, PLAB, FMGE, NEXT, thanks to the strong academic foundation. Students have opportunities to pursue careers in the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, India, and other countries. Vibrant student life and cultural diversity. The Philippines offers a lively student environment with modern campuses, extracurricular activities, festivals, and cultural diversity. Students enjoy a healthy balance of academics and personal development. Thus, the Philippines stands out as a top destination for higher education because of its quality, affordability, global acceptance, and English language advantage. Whether it is medical studies, engineering, IT, nursing, or business, the country provides students with an encouraging and enriching academic journey and strong international career pathways. Global study abroad in the EduMall helps the student in their career building and take them to their destination. So, we are there to help you out to take you to Philippines. Come and join the mission. Let us see one motivational story. The Ant and the Grasshopper. One day, sunny summer day, an ant tirelessly gathered and stored food carrying grains to its nest, while a cheerful grasshopper spent his days singing, playing, mocking the ant for working so hard. The ant warned the grasshopper, "You should store food for winter." But the grasshopper laughed, saying that there's plenty of time and food now. Summer ended. The cold, harsh winter set in. Food became scarce, and the grasshopper found himself cold, hungry, and without shelter. Desperate, the grasshopper went to the ant's warm home and begged for food. The ant, safe with its stores, shared a little but reminded the grasshopper of his foolishness, teaching him that idleness in good times leads to suffering in bad. So, the moral of the story is present effort ensures future security, and enjoying today shouldn't mean ignoring tomorrow's needs. Don't waste opportunities. Take responsibility for your well-being. Behave as an ant who is working hard for the coming time period, storing food, and thus saves their life. See the time management, how they do for their life, but don't behave as grasshopper, spending time without any good work. But try that the ant is teaching us that we should be helpful, we should be taking the time management properly and making the plans so that we are successful in the coming time period. So, remember, www.theedumall.com. Address 229 The EduMall, Suyash Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall. Discover, learn, succeed, transforming your education. We are there to help you out in whatever courses you are requiring it. Come and visit us. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye.